That is the duty of the courts.
If you remember in the year 2013, right after the general election, the issue there was resolved at the Supreme Court. That is where the President Uhuru Kenyatta was declared the winner. So let's say that kind of situation comes up again in the year 2017 after the general election. Do you think the judiciary has all what it takes?
I think the judiciary, most of the Supreme Court has constituted, is very capable of handling the presidential election. There might have been some mishap in the previous bench, but then there are some aspects, for instance, the court then, as it was, complaining about the affidavit being expunged because of time. Law has developed after that. The issue of jurisprudence developed on one case after the other. The Supreme Court is not bound by its own decision. They have a duty to even overrule its own decision because they are the final authority in much as judicial issues are concerned. So I believe the Supreme Court is very well constituted, very brilliant judges and the best legal minds we have, and they're very capable of handling the next presidential petition.
Let's now link up with our reporter Timothy Otieno, who is at the Milimani Law Courts, and that's where the judges have declined that petition, or rather that application by NASA with regards to the manual backup. Now, Timothy, good morning, and what more can you tell us?
Well, thank you, Yusuf. Just a few minutes ago, a three-judge bench here of the High Court has ruled in a case that was filed by the National Super Alliance challenging the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to come up with an electronic backup system for the elections in case the Kenya Integrated Electoral Management System, KIMS, fails come August the 8th. Now, that case had been filed by lawyer James Orengo a few days ago, and the three-judge bench this morning has actually ruled on the side of the IEBC, meaning that the IEBC currently can continue with the elections under the electronic system, but will have a manual backup system in case the electronic system fails. Now, that court ruling just a few minutes ago has, of course, been received not so well by the opposition side who had filed the case, and one of the lawyers representing the opposition, Paul Mwangi, has actually expressed the